One of the killers, along with heat too.
Yeah.
That's another silent killer, unfortunately. And Casey, what if I told you that a piece of that storm system that they're seeing in California will affect us in East Texas a little later this week? But again, we're going to see probably about 1% of that storm.
Okay.
Yeah, 99% goes to California, 1% goes to us, which, when you account for the storm chances, yes, we need to see the rain, but we've seen plenty of severe weather over the last couple of months, so we could do without that. We got clear skies in Longview right now. It's not going to rain tonight. It's not going to rain tomorrow. Where I become a little concerned is Wednesday night. We'll get to that here in just a little bit. But look at this. East Texas Regional Airport has now fallen to 50, so we may very well be in the middle to upper 40s tonight. It was 65 there earlier today. 68 was the high temperature in Jacksonville at the East Texas Regional Airport. We only got to 65. It was 67 in Lufkin. But here are those temps. We're generally in the 40s and 50s. Athens is at 54, 53 in Tyler. And it's kind of interesting. The further east you go, generally, the cooler your temperatures are. For example, Hemphill's at 45. It's 49 in Marshall, and it's 54 in Mineola. So here are your wind speeds, and winds are stronger out to the west, and it's keeping our temperatures in check there, 5 to 10 miles per hour area wide, but we've actually have detectable winds in our western counties. But look at this, common denominator here where it's cool. Longview, Center, Hemphill, wind speeds are at 0 miles per hour, and it's not humid at all. This is pretty comfortable. Dew points are in the 40s, so we'll take that for what it's worth. We're down to 49 degrees tonight. We'll see a few passing clouds overnight as well. That will also help to stall our temperatures, so we will be starting out in the upper 40s and lower 50s by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. But still an outstanding day if you want to get out and about, maybe do some yard work or something like that. Plenty of sunshine, so that will not be a problem. Here's satellite and radar. Let's pan out to the west real quick, and I'll show you what's going on in California and where our next weather maker is going to come from. So, got the atmospheric river. That's the trailing of clouds. We got another one right behind it. There's your storm system. We will get a piece of this storm system, but I don't think it's going to mount out to very much of anything. Tomorrow, we stay dry. It's sunny tomorrow afternoon. By Wednesday, we've got more clouds moving in by early Wednesday morning. And then as we move throughout your Wednesday afternoon, there's a couple of showers up to our north, and time will tell if this can actually develop into something as it moves over our area. Right now, it's not looking like much, and most of the models do agree with this, but I'm still at least mentioning about a 20% chance of rain as that front moves through, and then we dry out early Thursday morning. So Thursday, Friday, looking a lot cooler than what we're going to see over the next couple of days. Severe weather outlook for Wednesday into Thursday. It's a level 1 on a scale of 1 to 5, the lowest level, which is good news for us. It's just a marginal risk, and I'm not anticipating widespread severe weather or anything like that. But a gusty thunderstorm with 50-mile-per-hour winds, sure, that can't be ruled out. 60s and 70s next week, so well above average. And because we're going to be above average, there'll be more energy in the atmosphere. Therefore, we should see a couple chances of rain for next week as we look at that 6 to 10-day outlook. And it's reflected here. Chance of rain Wednesday night, maybe a storm or two. Plenty of sunshine Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. A decent chance of rain as we head into next Monday. As you can see, that high temperature back into the lower 70s. Deep East Texas, similar trend. Looking dry Thursday, Friday, and Saturday before warmer temperatures by the end of the weekend. Casey?
Carson, thank you. Coming up in sports, the TCU